Okay, what's up, YouTube? Today's lesson is going to be on the desktop screen recorder that I use, which is Camstudio. It's free, of course, and it's very good to be a free screen recorder. It records in HD and it's relatively simple. You just hit record, and then when you're done, hit stop, and the file will pop up, and then once you're done, send it to your movie maker or whatever, and then publish it. It's that simple. And I'm gonna explain all of the little tips and tricks and good settings for Cam Studio. Show you how I have it set up. But first, I'm going to show you where you can get Cam Studio from, and this right here is the link, camstudio.org. I'll put that in the description as well. And if you scroll down a little ways down the page, it'll tell you about Cam Studio's history, and blah 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 blah. And again, sorry for that ringing noise in my mic. It's annoying, I know. But here's the download for Cam Studio 2.0. Cam Studio 2.0 EXE. Download that, save it, then open the file. It might come in a zip file, so you might need a file compressor, or you could just extract the files and install it that way. But yeah, so that's the link. I'll put that in the description. But now I'm going to show you a little bit about Cam Studio. Now it's fairly easy to use. It's not complicated at all. I mean, you go. Okay, I'm gonna explain region first. Region is how much of the screen do you want to record, so if I hit region, a little square or a little cross would pop up, and whichever area on my screen I highlighted, it would record that area. You can do full screen like I am now and capture your whole screen, and that's pretty much the gist of that. Then you have your options. Okay, this is where I'm going to help you out. It comes with a great setting already, 200, 200. But some people will mess around with it, change the different settings. I have before, once or twice, but I usually just keep it on its default because of the fact that if it comes with a default setting, that's more than likely, the standard setting for Cam Studio over a wide variety of computers, which means that these standards right here, this 205, 200 has been used and proven to be effective in video making by many other computers. And so, that's why I keep it there. Up here you have what kind of video you want to record it to. Microsoft Video. I use Simpac Codex by Radius, which is good. Uh, Time lapse, you want to put that all the way to the left. All the way to the left. And if you want to adjust these, all you gotta do is hit auto adjust, and there you go. The box is opened up. And that's pretty much it for video options. Now, moving along, cursor options. Now, probably you see a yellow circle around my mouse. Well, this is where you can do it. You can see highlight cursor, you know, what cursor do you want to use, the size of the circle, you can make it small, large, anywhere in between. And then you have, whether you want to decide from an ellipse, square, circle, rectangle, whatever. And you can change the color of it, of course. And then, scrolling on down, this is where you choose your audio options, like record audio from microphone, like I am now. Record audio from speakers, which would be like if you're playing a game and recording it at the same time, the the surround sound and special effects and audio would all be caught if you were using this setting, and you could put it in your video. Do not record audio just means what you think it is. Don't record audio. Audio options, here's your options for microphone and whatnot. Enable auto pan. Now auto pan is important, especially if you want your viewers to see a certain part of the screen, because AutoPan will follow your mouse around, so therefore making it really easy for you to point stuff out. But yeah, and then you hit enable auto pan and it'll start auto panning. It'll follow your mouse. But I'm not using auto pan right now. But a good auto pan speed is 100. It's not too slow, not too fast, just right in the middle. So you want to set that to 100, and that'd be the best setting. And then let me see what else is there. And you got your program options, which minimize program on the start recording, which I usually have checked off, but I don't right now because I'm doing a tutorial. And save settings on exit. You want to check that. Capture translucent layered windows. You want to catch that. Play file when recording stops. Use Camstudio Player 2.0. That's what I use to play it, just to make sure that it recorded right. And then I send it to Windows Live Movie Maker. And I will be making a video about Windows Live Movie Maker sometime in the near future, but that's a different time. Anyway, then you have your tools and your screen annotations and so forth. Then you have your views. You can go to compact view. You know, anything buttons view, which would be just the buttons. But yeah, that's pretty much the gist of Cam Studio. It's really, really easy, extremely easy to use, and it's free. So you know, I'll put the link in the description, and then have fun later. Thanks for watching.